viewers to another YouTube show of the crypto forex market. I'm going to be jumping in straight into XRP USD. I've been seeing something very interesting this week with XRP USD, and from last video I showed you that literally we could have an upside movement, but at the moment we've had, for the past few days, we've had a slight upside movement, and then we've had some consolidation around this area. If you look at my last video, I drew the fibs from the lower high, which is from here, the first impulse. Then literally it wicked off my fib 71, and then it further went up, created a high, and then went down to between 61 and 71 fib, which is my golden area. But at the moment, seeing something quite interesting on daily time frame as we're on, and we are getting some possible movements to the upside. But for this to actually continue going up, we have to break this area, which is the 50% area fib. Yeah, as you could see on our charts, the 50% area. Yeah, so if I just move it to this side, we've got the 50% here, which is marked up. I've left the fibs on from last week so you guys could see actual price movement, how it reacts to the fib. As you could see a lower high, lower low there, higher low there, and this is the next one. You can see how it's wicked off. So the past few days we've had 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So the past 5 days we've had a slight movement to the upside. As you can see, the 50% EMA is slightly above that, which is a good thing. And we could see the EMAs slowly beginning to cross, which you could see here. See the blue EMA? If we get a cross of that blue EMA crosses the red EMA here, it looks like that it wants to cross upwards, just like it done previously here. You can see that blue EMA crossed over the red. We had upside movement, and now we could see that potentially happening. So potentially I could see the $1 mark coming at some point, but before that we could get some consolidation around this area. So this consolidation could happen before the actual moves to the upside happen. So we could get a move like this before breaking up to either the upside or the downside. But for me, I want it to go to the upside, obviously, to gain profit. So this is the move. If it moves to the upside, I'm looking at a move like this. So I'm looking for this candle literally to break this area here, and after a break of resistance, we have to test that resistance to support, which resistance will then turn support. So we'll get a test of this area, and then from this area being tested, as long as it doesn't break it, we should get our upside movement, which should take us to $1 or $1.50 and above. If that doesn't happen and we get a downside break, down breaking our 50 EMA, going downwards, then it has to break the 50 EMA. It has to break here, the support level, and then it has to test that support level as resistance. And then after, if it doesn't continue going up, you will get a drop like here, where you could see price going down. So this is what I actually expect to happen, yeah, for XRP USD. So you guys, if you're wondering what's going to happen, my EMAs are actually showing me that we are getting some bullish tendency. But however, before that happens, we could get some consolidation between the 50% and the 61. So literally the price we're hanging around at the moment is 46 cents, as you could see here, 46 cents mark. So for the past 5 days, we've had just slight movement. So if we go back to 5 days, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, today's Sunday, 6, 7. So from Monday, which was here, which was the 1st of March, I'll just check it on my calendar. 1st of March, yeah, the 1st of March was Monday. We got this movement here, which was bullish. So you could see that Monday here, which was the 1st of March. and then the next few days from here, 6-7 days, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, which is Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, Friday. We got a retest. We got a test of this area here, which is directly on my 61 fib, and then Saturday, and then I expect an upside movement. If that doesn't happen, if it doesn't break that, then I expect this to happen, or to break this lower side here. And then eventually, if it breaks up to the upside, then I'm expecting an upside movement. So keep this focused. Keep focused on this, guys, for this week. And literally, you see these movements, you know what's happening. Please subscribe if you like, and comment below and tell me what you think of XRP USD. All right, guys. So yeah, I'm going to move on to the next cryptocurrency, but for XRP USD, these are the possible moves that could happen. And obviously, once we go up, we'll continue going up for XRP USD. So yeah, as you could see from my chart, we got a lot of bullish tendency. If I go to the hiking candles, these will show you a clearer picture of the market at the moment, and you could see, look at that. So we've had the high there, which is tested already, that previous high, and literally, yeah, we're going up. As you could see from my trend line, we should be heading up. Yeah, looking good, looking good. So we don't need that there now. So yeah, I'm going to leave this chart here, take a screenshot, follow my YouTube video that you want to follow to keep up to date with what's going on. But yeah, so that could happen anytime, anytime. So yeah, guys, just keep holding. Yeah, it's looking good. I'm going to go into Bitcoin next. So if we go to Bitcoin, you can see Bitcoin obviously on its keeping on daily time frame. We are looking very bullish at the moment. It's also testing the 61 fib area. So the past few days, which is Sunday today, Sunday, count backwards, Saturday, Friday, Thursday, Wednesday, Tuesday, Monday. Monday we had, which was the 1st of March here, which you could see, we had a bullish movement here. So literally it tested my 71 fib here, this candle here, tested my 71 fib level here. All right. So if I just delete this, we don't need that no more. Keep my charts, I like to keep my charts really clean. So we've had no downward movement. It hasn't broken the 50 EMA on my daily time frame. So you could see that we're getting some bullish tendency for Bitcoin. So yeah, it went to my level, the 61 precisely. It tested around this area where this was the previous lower high. You can see that test that's happened already with this candle here. I'll just highlight that for you guys. Yeah, so fibs for me is amazing. It literally does what it says. It's fib retracement levels. So it retraces on specific levels of the market. And yeah, so we're getting some bullish tendencies at the moment. So Bitcoin as well could continue going up, as I could see right here. All right. We haven't had this move yet. We've still got bullish tendency. It hasn't broken this level area here yet. So for me, Bitcoin's still bullish. We may get some consolidation around this level before breaking this high. So what we want to look for, we want to look for this high to be broken. Yeah, so that's the first higher high, which the price was around 59,000. Yeah, around 58, 59,000 area, and it hasn't broken that level yet. So I expect that to break that level and then retest that level. So I'm looking for that break to happen. Or we could get some consolidation again around this level before breaking up and then retesting this level here. So it's back down to the 0 and then continue going up. So that could happen. That could well happen. Or we could have a break of the lower low, which I can't see happening yet, to test this level to continue down. to this level, but I can't see that happening yet because Bitcoin's looking quite bullish at the moment. So yeah, take a screenshot. Please comment, tell me what you think. But yeah, these are the two possible moves. But for me, at the moment, the first move is bullish at the moment. Yeah, that's for Bitcoin. So yeah, when I go on to the other coins, which is altcoins, let's look at Dogecoin. We can see Dogecoin from where I last drew up my chart is still on a key area. I'll just move it along. You could see the past few days, it's literally just consolidated. That's all it's done. Yeah, so we got the consolidation all around here. It has not moved. It's just tested my 60. This was the first test here. It's still above my 50 EMA. So yeah, it looks like it wants to go to the upside. So that could possibly what that could happen. If I go down, if I zoom out a bit, we could see this blue EMA. It looks like it wants to cross upwards. That's what it looks like to me. So yeah, we could get a move like that, or we could even get more consolidation for Dogecoin. Or if we get a break below, then we could test this level to go down. But at the moment, it is looking very bullish. We're getting a cup handle, which tells me that it wants to break up to the upside. So yeah, that's looking interesting as well. Yeah, so if you want to take a screenshot of Dogecoin, we could get a move like that. But yeah, it's still looking bullish to me, very bullish. All right, so I'll go into the next coin, which is XRP BTC, which is quite similar to XRP, which we discussed. We're still getting consolidation around this level here. Yeah, so if I draw a box around this level, just around this level, so we're getting a test of this major level here. So it's actually testing that. So XRP Bitcoin, XRP is testing this level here. So two possible moves. We could get upside movement, or we could get a break of this, which was resistant here, as you could see, and it broke up to the upside. Now we're getting the test, or this could break like that and then continue down like that. So that could happen as well. So at the moment, it appears to be testing that level, which was a resistant level, now turns support. So if it tests it and we get wick like this candle here, then we could go straight up to the upside. Yeah, so that was a major test. So it looks like we're getting another test at the moment for XRP Bitcoin. All right, so let's see what other coins we've got. We have, let's do ALGOUSD. Yeah, so that's looking very bullish. So if I just delete that, that was from last week. Delete that. Yeah, we're over the 50 EMA still. It's looking quite bullish. We could get a move like that. That could quite possibly happen. So yeah, we're still getting on a daily time frame consolidation around this level here. 4 hour, I would say, is a good entry level. We're getting a cup handle, which it looks like it wants to go to the upside. It's tested my 61. We could definitely get upside level here. If not, it could come down to break, but most likely the level looks like it wants to continue going up to the upside. So yeah, so we're getting across the altcoins, we're getting some bullish tendencies, bullish signs at the moment. So watch out for that, watch out for this break, and we have to break this high here, which is the first higher high that it's made. once it breaks it, then we'll get a test of this area here. But for now, yeah, it's testing this level here. We just move this up. It doesn't look right. That's the first high. Yeah, so we're getting a bit of consolidation. Let's look at a Dana. Dana looks a bit messy here. Let's delete this. Let's see what's going on for Dana. That's the first lower low here. It's tested as 61 precisely. We're getting consolidation. So this week it's been a little bullish with a little consolidation. So I'm looking for a move from here upwards. If it doesn't move upwards like that, then obviously we're going to get a down move like this. But from the way I'm seeing it, this was the first test, and we could most likely get consolidation around this area. But my favorite one at the moment is XRP USD for now. That's my favorite coin at this present moment. Any other coins? Let's look at let's look at KSM, BTC, daily. Yeah, it's just consolidating at the moment, as you could see on a daily time frame. So yeah, it's consolidating around this area. So we could either get movement to the downside or a movement to the upside. For me, I don't like to get in consolidating markets. For me, XRP is one of the best ones at the moment that I'm looking at. So yeah, it's just a lot of consolidation going on that I could see. So yeah, this is a support level, as you could see. Now it seems like we're testing the support level at the moment for the past few days. So literally, you don't want to get in any movements like this. So if I draw a box here, if we get a break of this area for KSM BTC, then we could get more consolidation like this. If we get a break, then I expect that to break here, test this level to go up like that. If that doesn't happen, then break this support level, test this level to go down. Those are the two possible moves. So let's keep a watch of this and see what happens now. So if you want to buy this, I'll wait for the break of this level here and buy it around this level here. That's my advice. I won't buy it in this level because obviously it could go this way, it could go that way. The best way to do is just to wait for this one and see what happens. Yeah, that's the best way to do it. But yeah, that's it for today for the coins. And I hope you got a lot of information, and please leave a like, please leave a comment. It's been a bit slow this week, but yeah, we've got more bullish tendencies than bearish tendencies with some consolidation going on. So market's just more consolidating. As you could see here, we had this massive break, and then we've had a test, we had another test. And I don't like to usually buy within these kind of markets like this. I like to have a clear break and then buy from this level here. So you can see that's level tested, and then it's come back down again. And it's caught in this area here. So I'm looking for a clear break to buy around this level right here. Once we get a clear test, as it's tested here, we get some good test here, then I'm looking for an upside movement. So yeah, and that's it. So I hope you've enjoyed my analysis for the altcoins and additional one for Bitcoin. And I'll go back to XRP. XRP for me is looking good, looking very good. So we could see some possible upside movement at the moment for XRP USD. If I go to DXY, because DXY has been bullish, so that's why we probably had some consolidation and some bearish movements at the moment. So this is DXY on the chart. So anything with the crypto with USD in it is obviously going to be affected by the DXY. So at the moment, if I go into the weekly time frame, this week has been very bullish for DXY at the moment. As you could see, we are in a downtrend for DXY. So if I just draw my trend line here, and I draw my next trend line up here, we're definitely in a downtrend here. So if we get a break, then obviously it's going to continue going up for DXY. But what I'm looking at, I'm looking for a test of this daily level, which was support in the past. Now it appears it's testing that same level. It broke through that level for DXY, and now it's back up to this area here. So I'm looking for DXY to do a move like this, back down to this level. If that doesn't happen, we could get a break of this level to go up. That's what I could see happening. But more so, I could see it DXY just testing this level and then continuing to drop down again. That's what I could see, definitely. That's what I could definitely see. Yeah, so you could see the test happened here. It dropped for the past week, 2, 3, over a month. It must 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Over 1 month, it hit this level as it's going down. As you could see, DXY. You could see it's under my 50 EMA, green EMA. And you could see this level to be tested here. If I go down to a lower time frame, you can see on the daily level, this is where it broke out, but I never retested it. So what could be happening right now, most likely, is that it's testing this level to fly back down. You can see some wicking going on already. But if we see a break above, then obviously that's going to continue up. But I want this level to hold, to test it as a return resistant, as it was support, and to come back down. If I go down to the 4 hour, as the 4 hours the best entry level, you can see a clear test here. So we're overbought on the Scotch RSI, we're overbought. So most likely we could have another little test before dropping down. Yeah, so most likely I could see this dropping. Might get some little movements up again before breaking down, but to see the movement actually happening, you go down to the lower time frame. You could see some weakness happening here. So yeah, we could get another possible movement. Looking at the 1 hour time frame, we could get another movement. As you can see, this candle starting to form to the upside. If it doesn't break, then we're going to come back down again. And you can see the Scotch stochastic is underbought, so RSI is overbought. So yeah, we could have one more movement to the upside before actually falling for DXY. And then when we get the fall, then we'll most likely see Bitcoin, the coins, Bitcoin and altcoins going up. So that could happen for DXY. Yeah, take a snapshot, please comment, please like. This is what I'm seeing right now. So I hope you like my video today. I will end it now. And please comment, please like. And I hope you've enjoyed today. All right, take care, and I'll see you soon.